Hello traders, hello investors, how are you doing today my friends? Welcome to another video here in the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan and today the market is in bullish territory right now. Everyone is on green, S&P, Nasdaq index, Tesla, Amazon is not. Amazon is the only mega cap stock that is not on green right now today. But Apple, NVIDIA, Google, Microsoft, they are all going up. We see the fear index VIX dropping minus 3%. The 10-year yields are also dropping sharply, minus 2.7% roughly. That's great, that's fantastic. And all of this reinforces a bullish thesis in the overall market right now, especially on the mega cap stocks, which I'm gonna talk about later in this video. First, my friends, remember, click on the like button to support this channel. If you're new around here, consider subscribing because I'm here every single day to update you guys on Tesla, the S&P, NVIDIA, NIO, Apple, and many other stocks. I'm sure you're gonna find something useful around here. Now, before we talk about Tesla and other stocks, I think it is important to understand how the indices are doing right now. When we look at the S&P, the S&P is bullish, okay? It is bullish. The only thing that is actually annoying to me right now is the decreasing volume over here. I don't like this volume, but price-wise, it is totally bullish. Why? Because we did trigger this double bottom chart pattern. We broke the 40-90, this red line over here. We broke the 21 EMA upwards, and we are still trading above this support level. In addition to all of that, we could not even correct to the Fibonacci's retracements. So yes, the S&P is indeed very, very strong. And to be honest with you guys, this pattern kind of reminds me of a flag pattern over here. So I think this is a bullish scenario. The confirmation will come if we break 41.68. If we break 41.68, probably many of these stocks are going to continue a very strong and sharp bullish movement, which I'm gonna talk about in a bit. But first, the Nasdaq index also triggered its double bottom chart pattern over here. We are still trading above the EMA, trading above the previous support level, just like the S&P. We are kind of doing a flag pattern over here, so the situation seems to me bullish, and we are still in early stages of a very nice reversal, which we can see in the daily chart. A target for this reversal, I think the Nasdaq is going to fill the gap at 14,168 points. The S&P, I see it retesting the 4,500s again with a resistance around 4,300s. Okay, probably we're gonna do a pullback after we hit this black line, but in the end, I see the S&P at 4,500s, unless if we actually lose the 40-90. If we lose this red line down here, then okay, probably the index will drop again. Probably we could even retest the 38.58 down here. But as long as we stay above this price level, the bias will remain bullish. And this is going to affect Tesla in a very interesting way, because Tesla is still in a bear trend. Tesla is still under its 21 EMA. We are still doing lower highs, lower lows. However, if the indices actually reverse, Tesla will reverse very, very sharply. The movement here will probably outperform the indices by a mile. When we look at Tesla in the 1 hour chart, we respected nicely the 700 support level today. We did a brief violation, but in the end it was just a false breakout. We respected nicely. The only thing that we should do right now is to break the 21 EMA in the 1 hour chart, and ultimately to confirm a bullish bias, break the $730. Just like the 41.68 is the key point the S&P has to break, Tesla has to break $730. If we do, Tesla will easily retest the next support level around 788, a little bit higher in my humble opinion. And considering that Tesla is doing a bullish candlestick today, right now today, just after a retest of a support level at the we almost hit the 61.8% retracement, and we are gonna close above the 50% retracement. This is very good. It is a bullish candlestick in a very strong support level. If we react tomorrow and break today's high, I do believe this is indeed a buy signal. On Tesla, for instance, it could be a buy signal. Of course, we still should wait for the confirmation by breaking $730. But yes, technically speaking, this might be a buy tomorrow if we break today's high, especially because the risk-reward ratio makes sense. In fact, this makes even more sense than it made over here. If you missed my first call at $608 over here, okay, I missed it. We went up too much, too fast. We hit more than $100 above the trigger point. So yeah, it was too late, right? Well, right now, it might be just another opportunity. In fact, this opportunity has an even better risk-reward ratio. Because right here, considering you bought at the $680, you set a stop loss down the previous support level, and you are aiming at the next resistance over here, which was 788. Your risk-reward ratio was around 1.76. That's plausible, this makes sense, but that's okay. If you're aiming at the 858, which is my personal target on Tesla, the risk-reward ratio was 2.89. That's valid, okay? It's all good. But right now, let's say you're gonna buy in the daily chart after the breakout of today's high tomorrow. You're gonna buy after the breakout, your stop loss would be under today's low. And even if you're aiming at the previous resistance around 790 over here, 788, the risk-reward ratio is 2.2 already. So this makes sense. You may say, oh Nathan, but I'm buying at a higher price level than I could bought over here. Yes, but right now, the risk-reward ratio is very attractive. If you're aiming at the 858, to fill the gap that I am aiming right now as well, the risk-reward ratio is 4.41. If you lose money, okay, I was wrong, I am gonna lose a little, but if you're right, you're gonna make a lot. And this is all about consistency. I like that kind of scenario, I really do. So to me, Tesla might be a buy tomorrow if we confirm a bullish candlestick pattern over here. If we break $730, it's going to confirm even more our thoughts, and we may expect that we're gonna easily retest 788. If we lose the 700 support level, okay, it's not gonna turn bullish, the reverse is not gonna occur right now. We should wait for a better, more appropriate movement. Tesla is looking great. In my humble opinion, NVIDIA is looking even better than Tesla, if you ask me. The upside potential is even higher. NVIDIA broke the 182 over here, this purple line, triggered this double bottom chart pattern. Right now, we are just doing a pullback above the support level. This is all about the principle of polarity in technical analysis. A previous support resistance is going to work as a resistance and support in the future. So I like this scenario over here. I like this reaction, and I see NVIDIA at 258. Tesla is at 858. NVIDIA I see at 258, which translates into a better upside potential than Tesla. Apple is also about to trigger a bullish pivot point. It's retesting the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement. If we break 151, we're gonna trigger a bullish pivot point. The target is the gap 174. Google is the only mega cap that is not doing anything meaningful to me, but I like Microsoft as well. 275 is the key point on Microsoft. If we break 275, we're gonna resume the bullish momentum, and we are gonna fill the gap around $308 and $9 up here. Okay, Amazon is still bearish, but we are above the EMA. The configuration is still bullish. If we break the pivot point by breaking 128, I think you're going to resume the bullish bias as well. So all of these companies, they have a very nice upside potential. And if the indices help us over here, if the S&P breaks, remember 4168, all of this is going to be technically confirmed. Okay, the risk-reward ratio makes sense. I like that scenario. I am expecting a reversal, but if we don't see, that's fine. I think since the risk-reward ratio is so attractive, I think it makes sense, the exposure right now. So this is it. I will keep you guys updated every single day. Are you still watching this video and you are not my subscriber yet? I told you I'm here every single day to update you guys. So seriously, consider subscribing this channel to keep in touch with my daily insights. Thank you very much. Stay safe. Farewell.